Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to find Roblox server region. So guys, download this extension BT Roblox, install this extension. After that, all you have to do, go to Roblox, go to setting, and from here go to this extension as I say, and then wait loading this page, scroll down, click advanced, and make sure this click fix this one option, and then click server region, and then after that all you have to do is choose any server from here, and then scroll down guys, click English, click execute server, and then click as you can see here, click this option, and from here you see all server, you see all region of the server. From here just click this option and then click setting and click BTR setting, click advanced, and then after that click this one, click on region selected, and then rest your setting. Are you sure? Rest, click see region, and then just click region guys, and you see all your server. From here guys, click region, server region, you see details of this region from here as you can see here. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.